viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to take this moment to thank all of my new subscribers for being here. I hope you guys have enjoyed all of the videos I've posted so far. On this channel, you'll learn how to do your makeup, and that includes your foundation, eyebrows, eyeshadow, contour, highlight, the whole 9 yards. So if you are someone that's learning how to do your makeup, you are in the right place because I have a ton of videos that show you exactly how to do everything that you need for a beautiful beat face. Many of my makeup videos are typically on the simple and easy side because I want to make sure that I'm being beginner friendly so everyone who's learning how to do their makeup can follow along. So in this clip, you can see me just filling in my eyebrows. I used a regular brow pencil in the brown shade, and I'm using the Juvia's Place shade stick in the shade Granada to clean it up. This step is one of my favorite. I am just using my Fit Me powder to place on top of my eyebrows to reduce the shine and set them so they can stay in place and last all day. When you're applying your foundation, you want to make sure that you're using tapping motions. You don't want to really swipe it in the beginning. You want to just tap, tap, tap that product all over your face on top of that primer so it can be nice and even. Continue to tap and blend your foundation in until you're satisfied and ready to move on to the next step. Now, after blending your foundation, you want to grab your concealer again and place it in all of these areas so we can bring light back into our face. In this clip, you'll see me using the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation Stick to contour in all of these areas. For all of the makeup beginners, don't be afraid to contour. It's one of the most important steps so we can add definition into our face. Adding contour in all of these areas can help you get a nice chiseled makeup look. For an even more flawless finish, use your setting spray when you're blending out your concealer. If you've made it this far in the video, make sure you've already subscribed, give me a like, and even drop a comment sharing your thoughts. Now it's time to do our eyeshadow. The key to this step is really practicing first. The more you practice, the better you get at it. Don't be afraid to use the product. Get that eyeshadow on there and pat it in place until it's nice and blurred. While you do your eyeshadow, always remember to pat it in place, don't swipe. If you swipe it, you'll dust off all the product that you're putting on and it'll fall in other places and you'll have to go back down and redo those steps. Remember these things as you follow along to do your eyeshadow. Prep, pat, and clean up. We've already prepped. We prepped our eyelids in the beginning of the video when we put our foundation on. Now we're patting the product in place. When we're done patting, we'll go back in and we'll clean it up. In this step, instead of using black eyeliner, I like to use a nice brown eyeshadow. Only because it's less irritating for me and easier to take off. And we're all done. Now add your setting spray, touch up your hair, take a few pictures, put on a cute outfit, and enjoy your day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and come back for more when you need an easy makeup idea.